Bonjour monsieur l'officier, je suis un homme de commande par Alexandre Blanco et son équipage. Vous souhaite la cordiale bienvenue à bord de ce vol à destination de Genève. Notre temps vol ce matin est estimé à 1 heure, assez de temps pour vous détendre et apprécier ce vol en notre compagnie. Je m'appelle Rossio et j'ai le plaisir d'être votre chef de cabine sur ce vol. Avec moi dans la cabine Stéphanie, Abdoulaye et Thomas. Nous sommes là pour rendre votre voyage principalement pour votre sécurité. Si vous avez besoin de quoi que ce soit, n'hésitez pas à me demander. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of easyjet Switzerland, Captain Alexandre Blanco and Miss We'd like to welcome you aboard this flight to Geneva. Our flight time this morning will be approximately 1 hour. Plenty of time for you to relax and enjoy this flight with us. My name is Rossio and I have the pleasure to be your seating passenger on board today. With me in the cabin is Stéphanie, Abdoulaye and Thomas.
Yeah.
We are here to make a journey safe and comfortable. So if you need anything, do not hesitate to contact us.
Stephanie,
As it does on a
ik
close
die van New York
connection,
om die
your
toe.
mobile phone is switched off. If you have a mobile phone with a flight software, you could use it during the flight. Mesdames et messieurs, nous aimerions avoir toute votre attention, même si vous voyagez souvent, afin de vous expliquer les instructions de sécurité de notre
Ja, ik wijs het ook al. Niet eens dat verder gaan.
Oh, kettingbotsing.
Ja, we gaan nog.
Two doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 window exits in the center of the cabin,
Als we
and
wat
2
doen,
doors
hè?
at the front. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit. Don't forget that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. If there is a failure in the air supply provided, masks like this will drop from the panels above you. Remain seated and pull a mask towards you. This will start the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Use the elastic strap to hold it